The lead and copper rule was established by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to protect public health by reducing the risk of exposure to lead and copper levels in drinking water. First draw samples must be collected by all community water systems and non-transient, non-community water systems at cold water taps in homes and buildings that are potentially at high risk. The number of sampling sites is based on system size. Consult the EPA's Lead and Copper Rule Quick Reference Guide for more information. There are two ways to obtain samples. You can collect the samples yourself or have the residents of the water system collect the samples for you. Letters are usually sent to find volunteers to participate in the sampling program. Residents collect samples and complete a simple instruction sheet. Samples are usually picked up by the water provider and transported to a laboratory for analysis. Samples should be taken from a kitchen or bathroom cold water faucet, preferably with separate faucets for hot and cold water. Never collect samples from a point-of-use treatment device faucet. Unlike other sampling protocols, EPA recommends that the aeration device should not be removed from the faucet prior to sample collection. Do not run water before collecting the sample. Samples must contain the first water drawn from the faucet in order to obtain the highest potential lead and copper levels. The water must stand 6 to 8 hours before sampling, but preferably not more than 12. Sampling first thing in the morning often works best. Take a 1-liter sample bottle, remove the cap, and make sure it does not get contaminated. Place the container directly below the faucet and slowly open the cold water tap. Fill the sample bottle to the 1-liter mark on the sample bottle. Don't overfill. Cap the container and turn off the water when finished. Fill out any required sample bottle label information. Samples must be analyzed by a laboratory certified by the state to perform drinking water lead and copper analyses.